How's it going? Just here today to introduce SpreadPoint's Gritty, made for winter highway maintenance on our roads, footpaths, cycle lanes and commercial facilities. Fitted with heavy-duty flange bearings, front and back. It's a unique stainless steel roller floor, so there's no oiling or greasing. We have steps and a catwalk up to access the hopper, and a little toolbox mounted here as well in the front. So it's tractor operated, so you don't need a HGV license, or there's no need for tachographs, and it's hydraulic driven as well, so there's no PTO shafts which will eliminate maintenance. A few different tyre options. This one is fitted on a 26.5 wheel, a 655 or 26.5. It's got a 10 stud axle in it as well, and nice durable mud guards to keep your machine clean going the road. So you have LED work lights and tail lights. The real beauty about these machines is that the disc unit can be removed and a twin disc unit can be implemented into the machine. It's very simple to remove it. There's just two bolts and your chassis legs here, one on each side. The disc unit itself is very simple to set up. You have a little bit of setting up to do here, where you can open or close one side of your... You want to go down one side of the road, you can close it off, or come back to the other side of the road, you can open it up.